二人は来年結婚するらしいです。らしい。
Seems like. The Japanese word rashi is a suffix that is often used to express an inference, likelihood, or appearance based on external evidence or information.
小林先生はもうお帰りになりました。お、になる。
To do, honorific.
明日が試験なのに、彼女は遊んでいる。のに。
Although, in spite of, even though. Conflict between sentence A and B.
子犬のような目で私を見ないでください。のように。のような。
Like, similar to. This expression is used before a noun to indicate that something is similar to or resembles the noun.
あの薬は飲みにくいです。にくい。
Difficult to. Hard to. This suffix is used to indicate that something is difficult or hard.
今日は会社へ来なくてもいいです。なくてもいい。
Don't have to. This phrase means it's okay not to, or you don't have to.
車を運転しながら歌を歌います。ながら。
While, during, as. This conjunction is used to express simultaneous actions or conditions.
代金を支払わないで店を出てしまった。ないで。
Without doing, don't. This phrase is used to indicate without doing or don't do.
彼は駐車違反で罰金を払うことになった。ことになる。
It has been decided that. This expression is used to indicate that something has been decided or will happen in the future.
そのバスは50人運ぶことができる。ことができる。
Can, be able to. This phrase means can or is able to. It is used to express the one's ability to do something,